Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to completely disable background apps on Windows 11. First, to be able to get started, open or click on Start to go to Settings. Now, once you're already onto your settings, just go ahead and click on Apps. So you have apps here, let's click onto that. And right after, once you're in here, click on Installed Apps. So from here, you should be able to see all of the apps that are installed onto your device. So let's make this bigger. Now, define the app that you want to disable. So for example, we have this one, the maps. So click onto the three dots here and then click on Advanced Option. From there, you should be able to see an option from the background app permission. So select Never for this. And you could do this for any app you don't want running in the background. And that is how easy you could go ahead and disable background apps completely in Windows 11. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.